Alright guys, so Paleo by Maileo box, thank you guys for sending this over, and I really do appreciate you guys for sending this over and being so thoughtful for sending a box that doesn't have as much nuts in it. So you know, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for being so thoughtful. That means a lot to us.
Thank you, Summer.
So let's put everything out. Red Bob Mills, Bob's Red Mill. I always get that wrong.
Did you say Red Bob Mills?
Red Bob Mills, cheese, please. Muesli, a paleo muesli. That sounds delicious. Gold nugget ghee. So, giving my man Daniel a shout out. What's going on, Daniel? These guys are amazing. I actually met them at Paleo FX, and I've worked with them in the past. Great guys, great company, great product. So definitely, this is my go-to ghee. Like I really wouldn't use anything but gold nugget ghee. So.
9 pizzas. Good job, Brian.
And we have 9 pizzas. That's my son. He's sitting there playing his little game. Vital protein. Sorry guys, a little slight noise interruption. This is matcha. If you don't, oh shit. That's what I get for trying to be cool and flip the pack. Let's try that again. So, without flipping the package like a really cool guy, this is matcha that is actually distributed by none other than Hugo Tea Company. This is actually our local tea company from Kansas City, and I've actually met the owner. Super knowledgeable people, great guys. Great company as well. Next we have olive snacks. Devin will not be indulging in these because she doesn't like olives, but I love olives, so that is amazing. Fruit. Nothing but fruit. Mixed berries. Looks like fruit leathers. Ooh. I don't know if you guys can see that, like dried pieces of fruit leather.
Oh, we would like that.
Looks amazing. Plantain chips. Can anyone ever say no to plantain chips?
And can
no.
I
That would be a no.
interject on this one?
Sure.
Not only do they make plantain chips, but they make papaya strips and jackfruit chews.
And we have meat sticks. I love meat sticks. Alright. Unfortunately, this is the thing that I'm looking forward to the most, but it has cashews in it, so I can't have it, and I will definitely source this baby out to a trusty foodie to try it.
Oh, it does look good.
Doesn't it?
I love Mousse.
I do too. Alright, let's get this party started. So, matcha, I'm not going to crack this open. I'll probably do a recipe with this. So, matcha powder. I'd say we should try from the least. Guys, this is not something that I can really eat on its own, but this is something that you can dump into your bulletproof coffee, spread it on your toast. I mean, you can use this for anything that you use in place of any kind of fat or butter. Holy jeez Louise, Daniel.
Can you open the jar for you?
God, it smells so good. Do you guys see? That's why it's called gold nugget ghee, because look at that color. It is gorgeous.
What is ghee made out of?
Ghee is clarified butter.
Packaging is really cool.
I know. They've changed their packaging a couple times, and I gotta tell you, I am loving this new packaging. So, thumbs up, Daniel. Love it.
What is clarified butter?
Clarified butter? You're gonna have to Google that, baby. I'm not gonna go through that in the video.
Well, I don't know.
Okay, so I'd say the fruit leather will be the first thing that we should try.
Is there any nuts or anything in processing?
No, it's just fruit leather, baby.
I'm gonna take it to our son to try. See if it gets the Roof seal of approval. What kind of fruits in it? Like berries?
It says mixed berries.
God. My hand was agreeing.
Oh, that smells so good.
Hey, Rue, you want to try one? They're berries. It's like fruit strips.
Say hi, Rue.
Hi.
Try. It's like a fruit strip, but it's a cube. You like it? You want more?
Oh, that is yummy. Oh, that is so good.
You want another one? We'll get it.
So my son is wanting more.
Two. I want two.
You can pick out 2 if you want.
Hey, there you go.
Okay, get your fruit leather.
Okay, go on.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
I didn't even try one yet.
I like it a lot, actually. That's very good. I've actually had Vital Protein Collagen Peptides before. A great company. Great company. So, you can actually pour this into your bulletproof coffee. You can pour this into your protein shake. You can mix it into a variety of things. It's great.
So this is for latte, smoothing, baking, and more. The matcha.
You know what, I'm gonna try let's try the plantain chip mix because I think that flavor profile wise, it'll be the correct way to go about it.
And then don't forget your olives. Something really cool about these. They are manufactured in a facility free of peanuts, soy, wheat, eggs, and dairy, and packaged in a certified gluten-free facility. So if you have nut allergies,
I'm not sure how to pronounce this. What is it? Amazi?
yeah, maybe? I don't know. Yeah?
So this is a completely woman-owned mindful food company. So
wow.
that's awesome. I love packaging like these because, I mean, it tells the story of the company. It just feels a lot more personable, and I love that.
And women-owned, it's a perfect time because February
Absolutely.
is Women in Horror Month, and so it's a huge women-focused month right now. So that's actually a really cool February edition.
This is Gaia Olive Snacks. I'm trying to figure out how to open this package. I didn't. Definitely getting a big whiff of olives coming at me.
Ooh. Olives. Juicy. So it's actually just like olives.
Mm-hmm. It's Kalamata olives. They're delicious. Oh my god, that's so good.
Are they like preserved, or is it just like it's just olives?
Well, it's.
That's actually cool. I mean, if you like olives, having it in a sealed safe package that's not going to drip all over you.
Okay, I gotta say,
Looks neat.
this is actually a really good olive. Because a lot of times, the Kalamata olives can be a little overly salty. And this is actually just right. It's really good. It's very well balanced.
You didn't actually talk about how these tasted, did you?
Oh, sorry guys. I just sat there and ate them. These plantain chips are actually really good. Excuse my voice, guys. I'm actually getting over a cold, so. Yeah, these plantain chips are very good.
They have a bitter back end on them.
They do have a slight bitter back end to it. It also has a little bit of acidity that I can taste on it. Probably from being the green plantains, which has a more sour flavor to it.
Which are better for you.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, it's yummy. I like it.
Green bananas and plantains tend to break down the sugar slower, so
Resistant starch, guys. Say it with me. Resistant starch.
good stuff.
All right. Turkey meat sticks. Yeah.
Thanks.
Oh,
It almost smells like.
the jalapeno is so.
It smells like taco meat.
Mmm.
Doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
I've actually had that before.
Mm.
I think I actually bought this at one of my local natural grocers. And yeah, they're very good.
Mm. It tastes like a taco.
Yeah, it's very yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, so this kind of wraps up our Paleo by Maileo box for in a month. Thank you again, Paleo by Maileo. Thank you, Summer, for sending this amazing box over. Such great people at this company. Support them. Go check them out.
They're very kind people.
And if you guys like what you see, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And as always, eat up, my friends, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.